Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Motorola Moto E6 Play, and first you have to go for the Play Store. Next you have to tap on the search bar and type recorder. We can get one of this application, for example the first one. Right now let's open. Accept all the permissions. And to start the record you have to click right here. And it starts recording sound, so let's finish and check the quality. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.